Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, September 24th. I am in Great Barrington, Connecticut. It's beautiful weather here, as you can see. We continue with the meditative reflections based on Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. And today's essay is titled Breaking the Jar. He starts it with a Zen saying, "A man raised a baby swan in a glass jar, but as the bird grew, it became stuck in the jar. The man was caught now, for the only way to free the thing was to break the jar, killing the swan." This parable speaks powerfully to the clear containment we set about the ones we love, never imagining that who and what we love grows. What we set up as parameters out of fear or arrogance, or even out of the best intentions of protection, can suffocate the very thing we hold precious. Even more devastating and subtle are the ways in which we jar ourselves. If our mind is the man raising the baby bird, then the swan is our heart. Too often, in an effort to protect ourselves from being hurt, we place our soft and growing heart in a clear jar of distrust, never dreaming that the heart continues, like the baby swan, to grow. Too often, we can contain our way of being within our way of surviving. This is how we can wall in our hearts over time. And even the most unassuming and cautious of beings can find themselves having to break their hearts, their way of feeling in the world, in order to free themselves of their hardened, clear resolve. But many of us simply live within the hardness, if we can call such a constraint living. With such suffocation of heart and mind, Rachel Naomi Remen wisely asks, is it possible to live so defensively that you never get to live at all? At the heart of her question, and this little Zen story, is the difference between surviving and thriving, between existing and living, between resignation and joy. As human beings, our distrust builds a hardened resolve over our innocence, the way that silver tarnishes when exposed to air. Only the quiet, daily courage to be can let the air soften our heart again. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experience of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to imagine the last time you felt vulnerable or hurt, but didn't show it. What happened inside you for not showing your hurt? Imagine that moment of vulnerability again, now in the safety of your solitude. Soften the moment and let the original feeling to pass through as energy that it is. See if you can receive yourself the way you would have wanted others to. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries along the way. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. I will see you on Thursday. Have a wonderful day.